This is Chris from ModeMunch and welcome to Fast Food Fight. The show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains, recreates them and make them look and taste like their retail products, all whilst reducing the cost. Imagine 100% crispy coated chicken, layered with lettuce and creamy mayo on a softly toasted sesame seed bun. Tad small and, to be honest, not much greenery. But for $2 it's worth the naughty noshon. Speaking of flying rats, here's an offer from today's sponsor. Special 19 pack of your favourite plague bottle. How can you not hack at that? While you're subscribing and wearing a surgical mask, check out my merch in the tab below. You may notice that the comments have been switched off, not apologising, I'm social distancing online. Find something roughly tad larger in your bun and mould out a chicken breast fillet. For the batter I'm using tempura mix along with onion, garlic and black pepper powder. Pat the fillet dry, mix together and coat the chicken. I'm using a shallow fry method in a wok. Deep fry works just as well. Fry for several minutes or until golden. Once done, set aside and rest for 1/3 of the time cooked. Melt some butter in a separate fry pan. Place your bread bun in and toast evenly. Heel of the bun. Mayonnaise, lettuce, fillet, and mayo on the crown. Ended up being $1.50. Not bad for quarantine food, you won't get sick eating that. Speaking of sick, Corona-19 now deliver from your front porch and depart from your back door. And they do home delivery too. How fully sick is that? For the merchandise, click in the tab below. Well, give it if they were real. This has been Chris from ModeMunch, and I'll see you next Tuesday.